Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Matthew Conger, and I am the Small Chef. So today guys, we're going to be making a honey barbecue sauce. So let's get started. Alright guys, so over here I have my ingredients for seasonings, and here I have salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And if you want to know how much of each it is, check out the description below. Now, I have a cup of ketchup, half a cup of honey, and that's from Honey BBQ. And this stuff is awesome. Check out Burt BB. He's in my description below as well. So check him out. This is awesome stuff. And this is the real honey. This is not man-made. This is made from actual honey bees. So actually check this guy out. It's good stuff. And I am using goldenrod in my recipe today. Make sure you guys give him a shout out and check him out. He's on YouTube and Facebook as well. And I also have my quarter cup of brown sugar, and I have my half a cup of his honey. So first of all, let's get our ketchup into our pan here. And make sure you have a spatula around. You want to make sure you get all your ingredients out of your stuff here. And we want to also add the honey. And then our dry ingredients. Now we want to put this on the stove and let this start cooking. Then we can add our brown sugar to it, so that will dissolve into the sauce. You want to make sure you have this over medium heat, because if you go too high with it, it will actually burn it to the bottom of the pan and make your sugars crystallize. That's for the actual honey, because it does have some real sugar in there. So you got to be careful of that. You don't want to burn your sauce. You just want to warm it up so we can get the flavor out of these dry seasonings, and so we can melt our brown sugar in here. Now we just want to make sure we stir this thoroughly, and then we're just going to let it heat up. And when it comes to a little simmer, we're going to add our brown sugar. Alright guys, so this is definitely coming to a simmer, so make sure you keep a stir on it, and because if you don't, it's going to splatter everywhere. It has splattered a little bit on my stove, unfortunately. So now it's time to add our brown sugar. Now this is heated through. Add the brown sugar in and stir it in. Now if you guys like your sauce more sweet, I mean this is going to be kind of sweet already, you can add more brown sugar to it or more honey to it. I would suggest more sugar to it because it will make it a lot more sweeter. Alright guys, and there you have it. There's your barbecue sauce. I let this simmer for about, I'd say, 5 to 8 minutes, and you just want to do that so it dissolves your seasonings in there. And that's it guys. So I hope you like this sauce. I hope you guys try it at home. Another tip is, if you want it thin, like they do at the supermarket, you don't want it so grainy in texture, you can strain it out with a strainer, or chinois as we call it in the culinary world. It's just a very, very fine strainer, or you can use cheesecloth or something of that sort, but I would just say a strainer would just do it just fine. That's it guys, that's how you make barbecue sauce. Alright guys, that is how you make a honey barbecue sauce. And if you guys use that Honey Bee made honey, it just turns out excellent. I absolutely love using his stuff. So check him out. His stuff is down below in the description always. So, and a big thanks to Burt as well. And if you guys are stopping in for the first time, please hit that subscribe button over there. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're watching this on Facebook, please hit that blue button up above where it says sign up. And you guys have an awesome day.